Everyone,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Vivin.
My name is
I'm 5 years old.
I'm 5 years old.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
I live in Thanh Hóa City.
I live in Thanh Hóa City.
There are 4
There are
people.
people.
There are 4 people
There are 4 people
in my
in my
family.
family.
There are 4 people
There are 4 people
in my family.
in my family.
My father,
My father,
my mother,
my mother,
my older sister,
my body teacher,
and me.
and me.
Now,
Now,
I'm glad
now,
to talk about
we talk about
my Christmas
my Christmas
tree.
tree.
Hai ta? Tree.
Tree.
This is
This is
my Christmas tree.
my Christmas tree.
It's in green
It is green
and very big.
and green.
On the Christmas tree,
On the Christmas tree,
there are gifts,
there are gifts,
3 bells,
silver,
Christmas stocking,
Christmas coffee,
and a yellow star. A yellow star.
little star.
On the top,
Top,
I love
I love
my Christmas tree.
my Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Goodbye.